Alright, you guys, we are at the Extreme Adventure Park. We came here from Cancun. We got picked up from our spot, and we're about to go ATV riding, ziplining, and hit some cenotes. So this should be really awesome. Come on, let's go.
For today's adventure, we tried something a little different. We spent some time shooting with the Insta360 Go 2 instead of our usual GoPro Hero 10. Let us know what you think in the comments.
We hope you enjoy watching this episode just as much as we enjoyed making it.
Ooh, just like a mini GoPro. Cool. Grabbing both rows, my friend.
Alright.
Bend their knees. Up we go.
Bend your knees up. Ciao.
Longer one, huh?
Yeah, that one was longer. It was quicker
Cool.
too, huh?
So, let's go!
Be careful around the wire, okay? Vámonos.
We went from ziplining to ATV riding. We got to do about a 30-minute ATV ride through the jungle.
I never drove an ATV before. They give you a quick lesson and off you go.
Towards the end, we broke away from the pack, which was pretty cool. It gave us a unique perspective.
This is how you come to a cenote with margaritas.
You have two hands. You have two hands.
Smart man.
And one mouth.
That's right.
Alright, so we just did our first cenote. I dropped my Insta360 camera, pill size thing, into the water. Our guide did his best to find it, he brought goggles, and then one of the other people that was with us, his wife was like, oh, he's good at this.
They're from Hawaii.
They're from Hawaii, and he dove down, found the camera, saved.
Like on the first try, too.
Saved me some money, for sure. Thanks, dude. I owe you something. Yeah, we're going to have to figure that one out, but no, it was a blast, and hopefully the Insta360 video turns out well. There's bats down there.
So many bats. Oh my god! Like in the cenote, there's a cave, and then we like kind of went into the cave. There's so many bats. It's
Yeah.
amazing. I love it.
Kind of cold. Bats. Yeah, kind of cold, but not too bad.
No, it's actually really refreshing after like being on the zip line and the ATV, like just to come here and like have the dip. And then too, we kind of like we did a little extra. We did like a VIP.
Mm-hmm.
So with this VIP from the Extreme Adventures, we got to come to like a private cenote. There's only like 6 other people with us.
Yeah.
And
a small family and another couple basically.
And we did a tequila tasting. We got to learn some stuff about tequilas. And then they're making food for us, and it's an all-you-can-eat tacos. So with the regular ATV adventure price, it was just like a 2 taco snack and like no extras. And with this one, it was $70 US for 2 for 1.
Yeah, and they said that was 2 for 1 sale kind of thing because it was Sunday basically. Maybe trying to pull people from the large crowd. Yeah. Make a little extra money too in the process. I ain't gonna hate on that.
No. And I think it was totally worth it because this is a vibe right here. We're with some cool people, hanging out, chilling. But this has been really fun.
Yeah,
it's been a fun
day.
Been
a blast. Yeah, a little frustrating for me on some parts, but you know, you just try and forget the hard parts and remember the fun times, right? Yeah. So working through, you know, all that good PTSD stuff. Let's see if I include that, but
you're doing good, husband. I'm proud of you.
Thanks. But we here, we outside, we doing outside. Stuff. All right, we're gonna go have some more fun.
There it is. Good job, wife.
Oh my god, so we just went to Ilios. We spent like 4 hours
and lots of money
inside. Yeah, and lots of money. But
worth it.
So worth it. Like, oh my god, that place is such a vibe, yo. Like, so much good food, really good mezcal, really good drinks, really good music. Like,
definitely know how to keep the party going.
Like we started out there like 6 o'clock. It's like,
what, like 11?
It's like 11 o'clock. We've been drinking a lot of mezcal. I've been drinking a lot of mezcal. He had cocktails. And oh my god, it was so amazing, you guys. Like, if you're in Cancun and in the hotel zone or even in downtown Cancun, you got to come down here. Check this place out.
Yeah, especially if you have some kind of something to celebrate, even if not, just to celebrate life. Good.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's really loud outside. It's really loud inside, but dude, so amazing and so cool. Like, service is impeccable.
You can try and do it on the cheap, and you could.
You can do this restaurant on the cheap, like just getting like small plates, and
but you're gonna be hooked in.
Yeah,
you're gonna stay a while.
Yeah, you're gonna wind up spending some time here. So just plan on spending some time here.
It's a treat.
Treat yourself. Treat yourself to Ilios.